The obvious alternative, of course, is a truly efficient, flexible, low-impact transit system. That's why developers, planners, and public officials today are looking more and more into the feasibility of low-cost, low-impact transit systems. Amongst those systems, Aeromovel offers an unusually cost-effective solution. Like other advanced people movers, Aeromovel's basic design addresses common transportation problems. The power source is quiet and non-polluting. Elevated guideways literally lift the trains out of the way of traffic congestion. The lightweight vehicles and support structures help to reduce capital costs. And finally, the small footprint of the support column requires an equally small right-of-way, which translates into significant cost savings. Aeromovel employs a truly unique technology, the goal of which is to reduce cost through simplicity. The name Aeromovel is derived from the three terms that define the concepts: aerodynamic, movement, and elevated. And that is literally the secret of Aeromovel's cost-effective design. Unlike most transit systems, there is no onboard motor. Instead, the vehicle is driven by electrical blowers located under the guideway. These blowers propel air under low pressure through a duct built into the guideway. The pressurized air pushes a propulsion plate attached to the bottom of the vehicle. This propulsion plate acts like an upside-down sail, propelling the vehicle forward and helping to stop it when the airflow is reversed. Of course, friction brakes are used for precision stopping. The propulsion plate is isolated from the exterior of the duct with a durable rubber seal. Because the power source is separate from the vehicle, the cars themselves have few moving parts and can be made very lightweight. Under the cars, you'll find steel wheels riding on steel rails, a very efficient and cost-effective solution. Because of their lightweight strength and efficiency, these vehicles can carry 2 to 3 times more people per ton of dead weight than most alternative systems. Aeromovel's elegantly simple technology has been proven in Porto Alegre, Brazil, where a full-scale system has been in operation since 1983, and in Jakarta, Indonesia, where the trains have been in commercial operation, reliably carrying passengers since 1989. One of the keys to Aeromovel's low cost and high reliability is its use of proven industrial equipment. The power source, for instance, is composed of industrial electric motors and blowers. The cost-effective reliability of these motors is only increased by the fact that they are mounted on a stationary platform. Aeromovel's commitment to simple, cost-effective design. The guideway, and sometimes the support columns as well, are prefabricated in modular sections. This makes for rapid construction, with minimal disruption to the surrounding area. Aeromovel is also committed to low-cost operation. The automated train, the automatic operation, with no drivers and unsupervised station departure for maintenance is reduced by the fact that the vehicles themselves are so simple and the standard working parts so durable. In fact, routine maintenance can be performed right at the passenger station during off hours, reducing the need for costly maintenance yards and spare vehicles. And if one of the ground-based motors goes down, adjacent motors act as a redundant propulsion system, allowing the trains to continue functioning. Meanwhile, maintenance crews have full access to the propulsion system without having to interrupt service. This also avoids the cost of purchasing, storing, and maintaining spare trains. Aeromovel's commitment to low-cost design and operation is coupled with a commitment to passenger safety. In fact, safety is built into the very design of the system. The air buffer between propulsion plates, for instance, automatically helps to prevent collision between vehicles. If, under extraordinary conditions, two vehicles begin to approach each other, the air in the duct would compress, acting like a cushion to slow and then stop the vehicles before impact. The same propulsion plate, which helps to create the air cushion, also works as a brake when the airflow is reversed. This pneumatic braking system, along with the standard friction brakes, gives Aeromovel a built-in dual braking system. The propulsion plate, attached to the bogie of the vehicle, locks the vehicle in the guideway, making derailment virtually impossible. And, unlike many other systems, the guideway itself can act as a safe evacuation route in the event of an emergency. Passengers exit at either end of the vehicle and simply walk along the guideway to the next station. One of the less obvious cost-saving features of Aeromovel is its ability to integrate easily into the existing infrastructure. Because of its narrow track and small footprint, it can be constructed on existing right-of-ways, like roadway medians or shoulders, minimizing disruptions during construction. The support structure is small enough and flexible enough to build around most existing utilities, avoiding the often enormous cost of relocating utility lines. And, unlike systems that send power through the wheels and rely on the wheels for traction, Aeromovel can climb grades up to 12% and negotiate curves as tight as 25 meters in radius.
In a major city, we would help the city connect their existing systems with venues that they might have, a museum, a convention center. We would bring the existing transportation system to that venue. It will also fit into a national park because of the fact that it is very quiet, very environmentally suited to that sort of a situation.
Gracias.